Is it 3 a.m. and you still try to fall asleep while you applied all techniques to fall asleep? So, this video is for you. There's a technique that the Navy used to fall asleep in only 2 minutes, no matter where they are, even in war. First, you need to systematically relax each part of your body. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Begin to focus on your muscles, one by one, and for 2 to 3 seconds. First tighten, then relax. Once you've gone through the whole body, focus on clearing your mind into a meditative state. Won't be easy on your first night, but in weeks, you will be able to control your muscles and thoughts. Go to bed and wake up at the same time of day, even over the weekends. You want to be able to fall asleep immediately. Getting into a good routine will set up your body to literally work like clockwork. And after all that, if you still can't fall asleep, don't lie awake in bed. Just get up and do a relaxing or slightly boring activity until you feel sleepy. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.